Hi, welcome to Module 3, Chapter 2, Creating a Company in QuickBooks. I want to begin with a brief overview of this chapter. The chapter begins with a section on planning and creating a company in QuickBooks. The next section talks about editing the preferences for this company and customizing the company. It is a beginning of seeing how you can change your company once you've created it. Then we move to a section on entering opening balances and prior transactions. The final section discusses and shows you how to run reports, specifically list reports. At this point, I want to begin by discussing some of the problems students have had at the beginning of this course. The first one is on purchasing your textbook. I believe this has been resolved for everybody, but the basic problem was that there was a mix-up in the bookstore and they did not provide any plans for a textbook for this class. Consequently, I sent an email to each of you with the instructions of how you can purchase your textbook at a very good cost on the internet directly. Some people also had some problems because they were used to taking online classes in the Etudes LMS and were unaware that this class was one of the first that is using the new Canvas LMS. Another problem is that some students have had problems downloading the portable student files, and the basic confusion was that the instructions on the inside cover of your ebook talk about two different ways to do this. One is to go directly to the student center, and the info is provided in step 1. The other approach is to register for the eLab, which would give you access to these files, but this is not something that we're doing in this class. Because of these problems, I've extended the due date for the Module 1 assignment to 9/4, giving an extra week. The first part of your assignment in this module is to take a quiz. As before, the quiz is made up of 2 true and false questions and 3 multiple choice questions. You can take the quiz up to 2 times to achieve the best score. The next part of the assignment is to do a project based on Chapter 2. After you have read Chapter 2, you are to complete the Reinforcing Your Skills Part 2-1 on pages 66 and 67. Then complete the Reinforce Your Skills 2-2 on page 67, steps 1 through 5 only. When you complete these steps, go to the following menus: Report, List, Account Listings. And when you see the chart of accounts, List Report, click on the Print Save as PDF menu items to save your file as accountslisting.pdf. This information is provided in the assignment itself. To complete this assignment, you will upload the PDF file by going into the assignment, clicking on the Submit Assignment button in the upper right corner, and then uploading your file. The last part of this module is a discussion on your feedback for this module. These discussions are not graded, however they are mandatory, so please be sure that you go in and you can either provide your own insight into the module or you can comment on someone else's. Thank you, and I look forward to seeing you in Module 3.